Hey, did you ever see my friends, my friends, my friends? Did you ever
Candyland
see my
TV.
friends? Help me to
Yay!
find them.
Hey, don't forget to click here to subscribe. Yay!
Hey guys, welcome back to Candyland, the land of goodies. Candies. Gold candies today. And some toys. I got some Hot Wheels. We got so many things to unbox and check today. Are you ready? Let's get it started. Let's hunt for some more stuff. Let's see what else we got in here. Maybe the Hot Wheels. Oh, no. I want another candy. Where's my other candy? Oh, what is that? A huge surprise egg. Okay, let's check it out. This nerd is blue. I never seen a nerd like this. Hoppin' Nerds. Yummy blue rainbow. Oh, let's check it out. Definitely want to check out this rainbow. Yummy looking. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, I can't wait. Hold on. Gotta get everything out. Ta-da! Wow! I can't believe I get this ranch and this yummy edition of pink rainbow this time. Hoppin' Nerds. Oh, another Laffy Taffy. This is, I think, a limited edition too. Oh, here is a limited sour apple Laffy Taffy. Yum, yum, yum to my tum. Oh, I can't wait to try this. Okay, let's put him all here. And now let's put some nerd in here. Yummy. Ooh, look at that. It looks so good. Now let's try this yummy nerd. I gotta try all the colors at the same time. Here we go. Some yellow, some white, some blue here. It looks delicious. Let's try it. Yum. Yummy. Oh, yummy. Yummy. Yummy to my tummy. Delicious. Deliciously. Like, this is so tasty, so crunchy, so crispy, so taffy. I can't wait to try the sour taffy. Let's open it up. Let's check it out. Such a yummy episode today. Oh, let's try a piece. Can't wait. I just want to try it. Yummy. Green is my favorite color. And sour apple, green sour apple, and the Laffy Taffy is just fine. So good. Now let's try the runts. Yummy runts. Pour them in here with the rest. Voila. Oh, very colorful. I like that. Oh, the orange doesn't want to come out. Yep, come out. Voila. Now let's try a purple. We got a purple. We got a orange. We got a yummy green, my favorite color. Yummy red. Let's try all these runts at the same time. Let's see what it does. Oh, they got a banana in here. Yummy banana. Look at that. Bananas. They fade a little bit. But that's it. Oh, I gotta wait. I gotta get this pink nerd open. Let's try it. There's probably a different nerd. Probably a rainbow too. What do you think? Oh yeah. Oh, it is. It is. It is a fantastic rainbow. Oh, I gotta put it in a separate container. Where's the other side of the container? Oh. Here we go. Here's the other container. Let's put the other nerds in it. Oh, I can't open it this way. It's that way. Is it this way? Here we go. Here we go. Voila. Here is my pink rainbow. Pink nerd rainbow. Yummy pink. Give this video a huge thumbs up. I gotta try some of the rainbow first. The pink is so crunchy. So sweet. So tasty. So flavory. Party in my tummy. And now it's time for some toys. We got Mickey Mouse here. Mickey Mouse. What is this? Oh. That's Disney Junior, but this is diecast. This is diecast. Pete's Super Crusher. That's Pete's. And we got another character here. Rosalina. Here's Rosalina. She looks like Elsa from Disney Frozen a little bit. Okay. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Oh, let's start with Mickey Mouse. Okay, let's open it. Wow, look at that. Wow, this is so cool. Look at that. Mickey Mouse is ready to go. Woo. Now it's time for Pete's Super Crusher. Fantastic! Look at that. He looks so comfortable in his car. This is looking like a race car too. Look at the back. So nice. Let's try driving it now. Woo! Woohoo! Oh, it's gone. We got another one. This looks like a spaceship. Elsa. Oh, no, this is not Elsa actually. This is Rosalina. Oh, this is a lot. We got a lot more going on in here. What is that? Oh, colorful. Oh, this is, I think this is tape. Pretty good. We got some colorful tape over here. And here's the car. Wow. Pretty nice. I like this car. I give it a huge thumbs up. This is like the Twinkle Twinkle Little Star vehicle. Wow, nice. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to become a Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and have a nice day. Bye.
Hey, if you liked that video, give it a big like. And click on one of the next videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.